Now.
We're off and running.
You're right. Nice. Whoa! Look at that. That's awesome. Watching the old Space Coast Air Show. We just missed the heart though. Somewhere liked it. I know, that was so awesome. Everyone was young. Yep, and we're on that one for 4th of July.
Fireworks, and I held you in my arm. You were 1 day old.
There they go, watch.
Oh, I see. Or no, they're gonna do a
Twisty turn. Here comes the split, guys. Hold on. Oh no, it's just a big loop-de-loop. You guys want to go to the air show tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, you have no choice, huh? Huh? Did you say yeah? Look at that, split all the way out and then they arc down. It looks like from Stranger Things. It's the thing with the big legs. It's awesome. I believe that's the last maneuver. All those boats. We should have went out there today. Look at that boat float right there. It's like a ton of them. All right, we're gonna go and take off and go to the Space Coast Air Show. Let's go check it out. Big beast. Look at those tanks. Box office. Going to the air show. Hey, we gotta go get tickets though, guys. We have to get 1 or 2. We're at the flight line today. Just got to the gate. Hey, Sammy. You ready to see the airplanes? Yeah. Play the national anthem, so I think we're a bit early. We made it. Someone on time. Oh, look at that. Someone, look at that one. Whoa! Look at that guy. Look at that. Oh no! He's got it to go on acid! What are you gonna do? Don't pull on his hair, Daisy. Cutie pie. Yo, look at that. Whoa. You know, Swiss? Look at that banking around.
Negative G's trying to throw it out of the cockpit. He's strapped into a 5-point harness. The airplane turned. We're going to talk to Anna.
Daisy, don't pull on his hair.
I'll drop you.
Hold his ears.
No, don't do that.
Hey, shake and bake out there.
There he comes. Watch this.
If you want to pick up one of the PlayStation 4 virtual
You guys want to stop here for a minute? All right, here we go.
The wind is blowing in a way that you can make it nice little heart draw in the sky.
He was trying to draw a start. He's taking off. Yeah! Oh man, you know how many G's that guy has going on right there? His face is like squashed against the chair. You like that, Daisy?
Racing over the years from drag racing to circle track.
Scoot in, guys. Daisy, come here.
He has literally done it all.
Oh my God.
75 feet out of the tailpipe. Watch the smokestack as flames emanate from there. See the smoke.
Dude, we made it. I'm so glad we made it.
Way there from Shockwave.
Whoa. Where's he going? Oh no. Yeah. Dude. Look at that.
3 jet engines, J34s.
Whoa. No, he can't.
In that Peterbilt
Look at that
truck.
smokestack. Whoa!
High road.
What do you think of that, guys?
306 miles an hour.
Look at this smoke, it's like a cloud.
Daisy, is that cool? Whoa! Yeah, right?
He'll get
Put the blanket over your face!
Of the instrumentation that he's
Good thing we got a nice wind.
We're off and running.
You're right. Why do I like this stuff, Patrick? I don't understand. Patrick's like, you like this stuff. Darn right I do.
Incidentally, you've seen
at him,
the
he's going
Waco
around.
biplanes flying around. They're giving rides, $39 a person if you want to ride in an open cockpit airplane.
You guys want to go for a plane ride?
17 flying. We'll see just how fast he can go. 0 to 60 in 1.5 seconds.
Whoa,
so
dude.
after about 3 seconds, he's over 200 or 300 miles an hour. Here we go!
Oh my God, that guy was cooking, dude.
Get on the brakes all the way down.
That was awesome!
Got a
Hey,
little
old
hit
Porsche.
wind today, so we'll see what that does. Here comes the report. 341 miles an hour.
Dude,
341.
that guy was cooking.
Whoa.
Man, I wish I'd brought my good camera.
Some of you folks probably think that the biplane's giving rides for $39 a person.
Not that one.
Find
That's a
your beach
P51
this
Mustang
summer
right
with
there.
Corona Extra and Corona Light. The perfect beers for sand, sun, and of course.
Look at that, dude.
In the aromatic
How cool is that?
but
Little
it is
bottles.
almost like a ballad,
Don't touch,
ladies
just-
and gentlemen. Watch
these
this
are
takeoff
homemade.
maneuver here now. John Black
Don't touch,
brings
Daisy.
the
He's like homemade.
keeps
That's why he's got them in glass.
We
Yeah.
go again
Old school beaches gum.
to the vertical, quarter horsepower.
Baller, boy.
Wing
Get somebody.
the nose down, building up that all-important airspeed as he gets to show us that.
Yeah. Look at that. There you go, Pops.
Now,
Take a picture for Papa.
now watch John.
Those are awesome.
Chairs are just $20, sir.
Awesome.
I mean,
When you are flying,
That guy.
everything is backwards.
Yeah, all your gaze controls too.
Down is up, left is right.
Thing.
Flying right up the screw.
Whoa, look at that Mustang. Look at that Flying Fortress. That's a Grandpa Stewart used to fly.
Day by day, American bombers, escorted by the fighters, took off from bases all over England and began their crossing of the English Channel to engage.
Nice.
Version of Oshkosh. Here's our last pass by the B-17 Flying Fortress here at the Melbourne Air and Space Show.
Helicopters. Get into some of the bigger planes. Boom! Look at the turbine motors. You like those helicopters, Daisy? We just got a family pic. Oh, I'm getting attacked. We're gonna make our way through the jungle. Thank you, Daisy. Snow cone time. We're gonna start with a war plan when we come to the air show.
Daisy just ate the dummy.
Did you eat that Batman gummy? Hey, who's that? Oh, did Kim Rose get you in? Oh, you feeling your bones. We just missed the race. We thought we were gonna make it back in time. Oh, cool shades. Man, there goes, we just missed the jet truck. He just went hauling. You guys, oh, look at that. Come on, Ashton. Ashton, come here. That's what I was saying, dude. It's pretty crazy. Woo! Yeah, for sure. Climb in, Summer. Go ahead. You can climb in there. Check out the cockpit. How'd you like to man that? Ash. Fortnite. Best weapon out there, he said, Ash. Look at all the wire ties. There's those wire ties again. See, Ashton? See all the wires to keep it safe? See the bolts from falling out?
Yeah. Is this arm right here?
Something like that. The world, guys. Yeah, it's a win.
Through his negative G's now, but now the G's start pushing him down in the seat.
That. They didn't come up. Dealing with stuff. Oh, that's a sort of emergency exit doors. They plug them here and they just punch out. Oh! Stick your head out there if you want. Go ahead. Hey! Just, oh, Daisy. No, not you. No, Daisy. You're too small. You're right. Get in that seat when you get ready to go jump. Blue 42! That's where you sit. Jumper seats. Alright, let's head back, guys, since you already turned around. Let's go. Claustrophobia. Alright. Just the tail section. That's to the cockpit. Yeah.
Whoa, what's up?
That's the cockpit. Look at that. Look at the jumper. Look at that. Look at that wind. Stay right here, Daisy. Look at these guys. There they go. That means Thunderbirds are coming next. Look at Patrick. Patrick, boss baby, bro. Slap it. All right, girls. Go ahead, Daisy and Summer going for the big rocket launch. Oh, Daisy. Ashton, the jets are about to go on. Ashton. Oh, crikey. Did she run up there? Hurry up, go tell her to go down.
Slide her down first.
Just tell her to go.
All right, yeah, she'll do that. Hey! That'll be safe. Yeah. Yeah! Woo. Nice flip. Hey, you don't like the jets? Oh, that was right over our heads. That was right over our head, man. I didn't see him coming. Watch him come around again. Look at Ashton, just going nuts. Daisy crying. Whoa! Yeah, dude, he just went flying. Don't be back again, but you gotta be ready. No,
I'm gonna take a selfie of us. Turn around.
Whoa! Patrick doing a super fluke. Do it again, Pat. Release your inner child. All right, here we go. What's up? Flip. Yeah. Double, double. Good job, Summy. 1, 2. Ooh, couldn't do it. Dude, you did too. One more, look at this, guys. Woo! That was awesome. See how close they came? Yeah. Yeah! Oh no! She didn't see that one coming. That was the afterburner, Daisy. I'm sorry.
Shoot it.
Oh man, duck and cover. Duck and cover. Oh, trash is over there, guys. Look at that. That's awesome. Wow, you know how heavy that thing is? Oh, he just broke off. Where's he going? Like, that guy's just climbing. Oh, he probably just burned like $3,000 worth of gas on that climb. I don't know about that much, but I think so. Now. Okay, yeah, double afterburner. Two afterburners. Oh man, 2 guys coming in. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, Daisy, that's awesome. Look at that. Awesome. 6 F-16s in formation is what they were. I thought they were F-18s. I don't know how to tell jets. That's Grandpa's AWAC. Hey, your Grandpa Stewart used to fly one of those. Not that one specifically, not a C. Is that a CJ? It's an E2. Oh, that's E2, okay. Yeah. Smaller version. Well, good job, guys. Appreciate it. I guess they weren't done. This is the E2 my neighbor Corey works on. Guys, look, Grandpa worked on this B-2 bomber. Papa Shock worked on this. Hey, do you guys want to know what Papa Shock used to do on this?
What?
He used to do the engineering for the flaps back here. Right there. So he worked on control boxes that helped make those work. Literally. Teacher. Look at that thing. Summer, it's a B-2 bomber motorcycle.
It's a plane slash motorcycle.
Yeah. Your mom doesn't like me.
That one has so many seats.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's like a U.S. Air Force. Look at all those command centers. They're doing the split. I'm having a hard time craning my neck with Daisy. Can you see him, Daisy? You see them? Oh. Boom, boom. Jumper seats. Oh, jumper seat, Daisy. Jumper seat. Oh, taking a break. Jets are going off. Look at this. Look at that. Go Gators.
I'm a VIP passenger.
I want to go just as a squadron. Typically, just we're not overseas. We'll fly 4 days a week. There's all kinds of ground training that goes on that never ends. No, we don't do that. We don't go.
Go ahead, Tommy, Daisy,
The big thing too
Isaac,
is
Ash,
speed.
come over here.
Certain speeds that we have to fly, and we have to like there are limits.
Oh, helicopter, yeah. Daisy, say cheese. Basic 6, which is speed, airspeed, altitude indicator. Yeah, it's just all those. Whatever those mean, whatever those things. Those are, there's like each one of those is designated to engines. So once you learn all the controls, they're not as complicated as you think. So what are you guys doing there? Everyone touches all your controls. You just reset them all. You just reset them all. Oh Lord.
Just as long as you aren't like moving them fast like this or anything.
Brake.
Yeah, you don't want the.
Yes, lots of buttons though. Just try not to touch them so we don't. All right, I'm gonna come down, girls. All right, Thunderbird. Look at that missile lashing on the wingtip. That's it, Salty Sharks. We're out. Set the vlog down. Planes on the ground, and kids are dying, so we're out. Ashton's got a souvenir bucket. Ice cold souvenir bucket for $1. Oh, long walk. Daisy. Ah.